Now, okay na. Ito na yung iPhone XR. Pilitan natin ang battery, 100% goods. First, remove black screw. Lower down. 2 pieces. Then, we remove LCD screen and easy. That's so easy. Very easy. Here's the symbol of inside of iPhone XR. Then remove all screw. Next, remove all cover. Still cover of your iPhone XR. Remove the battery connector and also LCD. And always be careful. This is sample of how to remove LCD screen of iPhone XR and how to easy remove battery of iPhone XR. So easy. Loaded battery. And ito na yung ipapalit nating battery ng iPhone XR Foxconn, original po yan. Well, we have also barcode and dollar sign siya. Then assemble, lalagay ko na, fix ko na yung LCD battery tuloy LCD ng iPhone XR. Pakita ko yung paglagay sa inyo. Then unahin mo na yung i-fix dito sa connector para pumix yung yung battery na ilalagay ninyo. Then saka ka mag-a-adjust, nakafix na siya. Ganun lang saglit And next, ibabalik na natin yung mga screw nung bawat steel cover. Yun, I need to zoom in para makita niyo kung paano yung pagbalik ng mga steel cover and yung screw. Ganito kalilit yung screw ng iPhone saka magkakaiba sila. Then need ko nang i-close siya, pero bubugahan muna natin ng bomboga natin. Close ko na rin siya. Unahin ko muna yung taas, then yung side by side. Fix na, okay na.